Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to post then and now photos on Facebook, iPhone and Android, doesn't matter. Okay, sorry, but in my particular moment, okay, because I this option is available in different countries. Okay, now in my country I can make this, but if you list example in USA maybe, or Canadian or Mexico, I don't know, maybe can you use this option. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is update your app. Okay, if you have Android or iPhone, go to App Store or Play Store and make your update. Open your app, okay, and when you are here, can you see in the right corner, in the left corner, sorry, in the left corner, three lines, touch here, and now in my menu, can you see the first option is memorize. Okay, but if you don't find this, can you see the see more button, touch here, and maybe down can you find it. Okay, now touch in memorize, and can you see in my country Colombia, can you see my option is check back soon for more memories. Okay, and the other option is that this not is my personal account. Okay, this is account which I use for my videos because I want trying to get more experience with me speaking, and I use these videos for to hobby and get more vocabulary. Now the point is that with this account I cannot make the memories then and now, but maybe in your personal account with photos with a long story and in another country, can you use this function. Remember, three lines, memories. Here can you see the option that say then and now. I sorry for my English. Again, I have a awful English, I know, but I really want to go to learn speaking. Okay, have a good day. See you later.